3, 2, 1.
Hello to all B.Ed students. So here is another lesson related to social science, that is food security in India. This lesson is related to economics section, and we will discuss today how we have written this lesson. I will also tag the video related to this in the comment section. So let's start with the objectives. The learner will understand the social concept or the economical concept. You can write this also. The learner will able to develop the feeling of universal brotherhood. The third one is the learner will be actively participate in bringing social change. The fourth one is to equip learners with all aspects of life. And the fifth one is to enable the learner to apply the acquired knowledge in the real life situation. The next point is introductory key idea. So what's the student already know about it? The student are familiar with the concept of importance of food in the life. As we all know, they need food 3 times a day. So what is the importance of that food? They know this. Performance indicator. The student will recall the concept of food storage and the public distribution system. The subject material is reference book, and the material is blackboard, chalk, duster, pointer, pictures, model, real objects, etc. The next page goes to phase pupil teacher activity and student activity. So in this section we have divided the class into 3 sections and distributed the real objects to all the students, and students are prompted to connect the new learning to the prior knowledge. In the exploration part, teacher facilitate hand-on inquiry based activities and encourage student to investigate the concept. And in the student activity, students are engaged in hand-on experimentation and investigation, as well as they are doing data collection with the help of discussion, and they are discussing with the prior knowledge they have already know about the things. The next part is explanation part, and this is very important. Now we will get to know what the different things that we have given to the students. What do you have observed? The group A have observed dry land has no plant. Group B have observed water consisting land have plants. And the third, 2 shopkeepers selling their products. So with the help of this, student pupil teacher with correlate all these things, that dry land has no plants, and if there is water, enough water, the plant should have grown in that land. एंड उसके बाद जो भी प्रोडक्ट निकल के आता है उसको हम शॉप्स पे सेल कर सकते हैं अगर वहाँ पे गुड टाइप की प्रोडक्शन होगी. ठीक है, तो इस तरह के आप एक्सप्लेनेशन करने के बाद वहाँ पे जो है वो टॉपिक अनाउंस कर सकते हैं. फूड सिक्योरिटी और फूड से रिलेटेड बच्चा कुछ भी बोल सकता है. एंड नाउ देयर इज़ एलैबोरेशन पार्ट. तो इन ऑर्डर टू डेवलप मोर एंड मोर अंडरस्टैंडिंग, pupil teacher will explain the whole content with the help of different activities. First activity, the pupil teacher will provide one food, sand and plant to the student. Ask the student to plant a small tree on the sand or dry soil. If the plant can survive in the dry soil, the plant will not survive. And this is how you can make a diagram also. The plant will not survive. This is how you can make an activity. Now let's start with second activity. Pupil teacher will provide a plant plate tray with small house plants people and will ask student to pour the water slowly into plate and encourage student to show the situation of food. तो इसमें एक छोटा जैसा ट्रे में आप लगे हुए प्लांट्स ये वो सो जो है वो डाल सकते हैं, जिससे बच्चे को पता चलेगा. स्टूडेंट विल पोर वाटर स्लोली इनटू द ट्रे एंड क्रिएट अ सिचुएशन ऑफ फ्लड. तो अब जब एक पानी एक ट्रे में जहाँ पे प्लांट्स भी लगे हैं सब कुछ, वहाँ पे फ्लड लाइक सिचुएशन जो है वो पैदा हो सकती है. Which term refers to the same situation, collection more than extracted water which merged in the land surface? This situation called flood. और यहाँ पे आ सकता था कि क्लाउड बर्स्ट जैसी एक्टिविटी में भी एक साथ जब हम पानी डालें तब वहाँ फ्लड लाइक सिचुएशन आती है, तो हमें फूड सिक्योरिटी बेसिकली होनी चाहिए। तो ये दो ही एक्टिविटीज़ इस लेसन में की हैं, बाकी की एक्टिविटीज़ आर सेम लेसन, नेक्स्ट टाइम के लिए कर सकते हैं। द नेक्स्ट पार्ट इज़ इवैल्यूएशन पार्ट। एंड इन इवैल्यूएशन पार्ट में अब बच्चा जो है वो डिफरेंट क्वेश्चंस जो है वो डिफरेंट ग्रुप से जो है वो पूछ सकता है। तो यहाँ पे डिफरेंट ABCD डिफरेंट ग्रुप्स ने जो है वो डिफरेंट क्वेश्चन जो है वो पूछे हैं। तो आप सेम लेसन को 2 या 3 बारी में डिवाइड करके भी जो है वो एक्सप्लेन कर सकते हैं। दिस इज़ हाउ यू कैन एक्सप्लेन द टॉपिक। और इसके साथ में अपनी सेम फूड सिक्योरिटी इन इंडिया की जो वीडियो है वो मैं कमेंट सेक्शन में टैग कर दूँगी, आप उससे वीडियो भी देख सकते हैं। So thank you so much for watching this video, and please like, share and comment. Thank you so much.